Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So after Penang, we stopped over in Singapore for 2 days, 1 night before heading back for our Easter holiday. So I have booked to stay at the Westin in Singapore. It's my first time here because it's very close to Marina Bay Sands. And normally when I come to Singapore for convention, this place is extraordinarily expensive. So I never stay here, but now I think it's because of Easter holiday, there's not much convention going on, and that's why I can use my point redemption to get a room here. So they have upgraded us to a club floor, as a club deluxe room, which is nice because we're using point redemption, so pretty good already. Of course, we get the city view. We request high floor, so we're on the 44th floor, which is fairly high. So just give you a very quick room tour. So the wardrobe on the right when we walk in. So I open that for you. So iron and iron board, a nice bathrobe, and then with the slippers and laundry list, etc. So good to put in one luggage. I put my other piece of luggage here. Okay, then here a king size bed already. So I'm collecting, you can see I'm collecting hotel toys. So I got a Westin Singapore bear. So it's here. Okay. So the Westin is the grandfather for what they call the heavenly mattress. So I have to show you the original. And then, the linen and the pillow and such. Okay, welcome message. And then with the Bose audio. And then, of course, the Nespresso machine with 4 capsules. And then the minibar, you have to pay. Right now, I do not see any water in the room as yet, the complimentary water. But hopefully they will fill it when we get off. Okay, so this is the minibar, fully stocked, but sure you need to pay. And then a very good workstation. As I say, normally people come here for work, so this is perfect workstation for business. And the safe deposit box is right here. Okay, so lazy chair here. So this is, the size of the room. Okay, going in is the bathroom. They do have the bathtub. Okay. And then the single sink, and then another bathrobe here, and then the toilet, and then the rain shower, as well as the amenities. The hair dryer is here, is attached to the wall. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And again, I'm going to show you the Bonvoy Platinum Elite membership. So they do have a club launch at level 35, which we will check it out. And then we'll be having buffet breakfast there tomorrow morning. For the evening hors d'oeuvre, I don't think we'll make it because we are going out today. And non-alcoholic beverages and cookie served. Okay, and of course I picked the 1,000 bonus point as the welcome gift, and 2 p.m. late checkout for the flight to fly to Hong Kong. So all the things are pretty standard. Okay, so let me check out the club launch for what it's like, and then we'll have buffet breakfast there tomorrow morning. So we'll show you everything for the stay at this hotel.
컨디션 살이 잘